To become monetized on YouTube, which means you'll begin earning income from the ads run on your channel, you'll need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I'll share 10 things you can do to earn more watch hours. These tips will work if you have a faceless YouTube channel like mine, or if you choose to appear in your videos. I've earned over 5,000 watch hours on this channel, Live the Life Media, which covers travel tips and life hacks. If you find any of these tips helpful, please hit the like button. Let's get started. Tip number 1, post longer videos. To earn more watch hours, create longer videos. Most of your audience will only watch a portion of your video, so the longer your video, the greater the potential to earn more watch hours. As a hypothetical example, if you create a 5-minute video and a 20-minute video, and your audience watches an average of 40% of each video, you'll gain 4 times more watch hours for the 20-minute video than the 5-minute video. Following this strategy early with my YouTube channel, I posted a Christmas music video that is 4 hours long, and it gained 421 watch hours. Tip number 2, pick a searchable topic. A searchable topic is one that people are actively searching for. It's a popular topic with a high amount of existing traffic on search engines. By creating a video on a searchable topic, more people are likely to find and view your video, potentially resulting in more watch hours. For example, I created a series about cruising to Alaska, and Alaska cruise is a highly searchable topic on YouTube and Google, with an average of about 135,000 searches per month, which helps my Alaska cruise videos do well. Another strategy in selecting a searchable topic is to make the topic highly specific, which I did by creating videos about the ship I sailed on, the Norwegian Encore. The term Norwegian Encore has an average of 22,000 searches per month. Tip number 3, create a video series. You can encourage people to watch more of your videos by creating a video series and linking them as a playlist. YouTube also rewards you when your viewers stay on YouTube longer by recommending more of your videos, which will also help you earn more watch hours. You can link your playlist in a pinned comment and attach a playlist to an end screen of a video. Tip number 4, post quality, likable videos. Creating a high-quality video that offers value in terms of education or entertainment will help you get significantly more watch hours. A high-quality video does not have to be highly produced and edited. It just needs to be helpful or enjoyable to watch. For example, my Alaska cruise videos are not highly produced or edited, and I filmed all of them with just my iPhone, yet they have earned many watch hours. For example, my video on what to pack for an Alaska cruise has earned 920 watch hours to date. Tip number 5, post evergreen videos. Evergreen content is information about topics that will be relevant for a long period of time, even multiple years to come. By choosing evergreen content ideas for your videos, you can increase your chance of having your videos get views and watch hours. For example, my cruise video about 10 tips to find your way on the Norwegian Encore will be relevant for anyone who takes a cruise on the ship as long as it remains in operation and no matter where it travels to. So far, the video has earned 470 watch hours. Tip number 6, improve your video's SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, which is about the things you can do such as tagging and selecting the right keywords to make your videos easier to find by a search engine, such as Google and YouTube. To improve the SEO of your videos, use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. You can find relevant and popular keywords using the keyword planner tool in Google Ads, which is free. Or you can ask ChatGPT, which is also free, to write a list of relevant keywords for your video. Tip number 7, be inspired and add your own value. As the saying goes, there is nothing new under the sun. Most things in life have already been talked about, and this goes for video topics on YouTube. However, there are new discoveries and insights yet to be made, and each of us is a unique person that has something valuable to offer others on YouTube or through other avenues. With these thoughts in mind, one way to get more watch hours is to see what topics are already popular and working for others, be inspired, and then create a similar video with your own twist or unique perspective. For example, I watched many Norwegian Encore cruise videos before my trip, but still found some unique tips and advice to share in my own videos after taking my cruise, such as in my Norwegian Encore Embarkation Day video, which has earned 132 watch hours. Tip number 8, create a visually appealing thumbnail. It's important to create a visually appealing thumbnail to encourage more people to click on your video so you can earn more watch hours. I use Canva to create my thumbnails. I've heard YouTubers say to use no more than 3 words of text on a thumbnail, so I try to follow that rule. It's also good to create a thumbnail that creates curiosity in your viewers. For example, in this thumbnail, I simply use one word, lost, with a question mark, along with an image of the Norwegian Encore cruise ship. This 10 tips to find your way on the Norwegian Encore video did very well for my channel with 7,300 views and the 470 watch hours I previously mentioned. In addition, you can also use the A/B test tool inside of the YouTube Studio to test 3 different thumbnails. I've used the A/B test and it works well. Tip number 9, choose an intriguing or helpful title. Along with creating a good thumbnail, you'll also need an attention-grabbing title to get more people to click on your video so you can earn more watch hours. Make your title easy to understand, include relevant keywords, but keep it short. Try to create a title that will hook people in and make them interested to find out more. For example, my title, Amazing Norwegian Encore Alaska Cruise Excursions, All Ports, worked well for one of my videos, resulting in 3,400 views and 465 watch hours. Tip number 10, don't strive for perfection. As the saying goes, done is better than perfect, and perfect is the enemy of the good. Striving for perfection may make you hesitate to post any videos at all or invest too many hours in creating your video. Following this advice will encourage you to start posting more videos and learn as you go. If a video performs poorly, there's always the next one. Shout out to Make Money Matt for this tip and also the very first tip of the video, which was to start making longer YouTube videos to get more watch hours. How is your YouTube journey going? Feel free to share a little bit about your channel in the comments below.